Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2016 Ford Edge SE. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this week's going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter EcoBoost engine. Has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got a dual exhaust in the back with a tow hitch receiver, your backup camera. Nice roof spoiler. Got some nice looking rims on here as well. Some nice black trim with heated door mirrors. A nice hood deflector with that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You got hooks and doodads, lights, cargo cubby holes on either side, 12 volt, with the ability to collapse your last row, and of course you do get your normal storage below with a spare tire. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does feed up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats with carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, some outlets and storage, and of course you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Little storage there, you got floor mats up front, plenty of door space up front as well, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 133,777 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your right hand screen. We got our media controls such as your playback like forward, phone, voice, mute, volume, cruise control, toggle for your left hand screen with paddle shifters. On your left hand screen here, you get your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, fuel economy, driving settings, all that jazz. You got your other toggle here, gear select with cup holders and parking brake. More storage below with an outlet. Get upper and lower storage. Storage here with some outlets. You got sink as well. Climate controls. You got your AC, rear window defrost. You can turn it on or off. CD, hazards, storage below. And we got storage on the dash. Nice little infotainment system here. You got your CD. You got your music, radio, with AM, FM. Let me just turn it on real quick. There we go. AM and FM, Bluetooth. We got your media controls right here. Phone, menu. Sync, audio, clock. You got a number keypad right there. And shifting to reverse, you get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE51639A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.